Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here's a dollar. Last night, I was thinking, oh, here we go again. But I got stopped out just below the previous high. Just a tiny, tiny bit below. And it did the same thing it did on NASDAQ yesterday. So is that the end of the run? Not sure yet, but we are opening down today. And this was correct. Maybe we can find a better answer, but yeah, it's coming across the EMA 8. It busted out, made a double top. The dollar is working a double top now. And we got a reversal bar here, so watch the previous low break on that. We got support down in this range here. So plenty of support all the way down. But we are working a double top, so it's going to take out that top there. Otherwise, we're bearish. And that's my final answer. There we go. S&P made a lower high, right? Crossed down under the EMA 8. Bearish retraced back into resistance. And today we got our answer. But it's still above previous low. So a tiny bit of support. I'll see what happens tomorrow. But a pretty drastic slide there. Closing on its lows. So it's bearish lower high. It's bearish retracement. It's bearish closing on its lows. So lots of bearishness. Same thing as the Dow Jones. Same thing happened. And it looked, we got final support line here. All the way down. I would say 50% of that candle. And lo and behold, there's our last line of defense. Before a trend change. NASDAQ. Alright, so it broke out, right? Made a reversal bar and then confirmed that reversal bar. Pretty definitely. Closing on its lows. It needs to break previous lows. It's well inside the previous pattern. It is bouncing off the EMA 8. So we'll see what happens. But that 2-bar pattern plus that single reversal bar breaking inside the previous break, making a whipsaw, closing on its lows. Again, lots of bearishness. And it broke the upward trend there, closing below. We got some support here. We got support down here. We got support here. See what happens. I'm bearish on it. This might be coming into a low still. It needs to confirm on the upside. Came down, AB bottom, came back into the previous resistance. It looks like a inverted hammer, but that's not confirmed because it broke down. Previous low. It went below there, it came back in. See if it'll hold. Could easily take another leg down. But the measured move looks like it's in. That looks nasty. Looks like a gap down and a run. Look out below on that one. Yep. Look out below on that one. We got a double bottom right there. It's hanging on a thread right there. We got a flat top break there. Support all the way down, but can't stop a rolling ball downhill too easily once it's in motion. There's another bearish action. Profit taking on the end of the year. Maybe a little setup for Trump. Who knows what's going on out there? Lots of craziness. Crude. It's hanging 10, but we got a higher low. We need to take out the higher low. The lower high, excuse me. I was bullish on this forever, but momentum loses its steam through time, so through time things change. I would say watch out below if it crosses that point. Gotta stay above previous highs. It's hanging 10, but you're working with a bearish attitude. So a lower high. Confused today. Let's see if we can dig deeper and find some kind of no, I can't do it on this one. See longer term. See longer term. We got a huge reverse head and shoulders working. The left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Let's see. Plus the whip across the 34. I guess it's in that pattern. It's hanging on a thread. See what happens. I don't see reversal yet, and I can't go any deeper, so going to have to leave it at that. Coal. Bad bearish candle there. 3-bar pattern now. 3-bar reversal. It's closing below previous highs. Now it's closed below the EMA and the 13. Price is tight in here. It's a weekly anyways, but yeah, it just looks like it's bearish now. Got rejected one more time. Bearish retracements in, allowing for price to go lower. Watch out below. Anything could happen, but we got the cross of the 8 over the 34 and doesn't help at all. That looks like a bearish flag. Channeling against the SMA 34. It looks like another leg down is coming on coal. But you never know. Little consolidation up in here. Taking out that double top here. Gold. Oh, gold. Did a lot better than I thought. So, anywho's, through time, we got higher lows, popped across the EMA 8 and 13, came all the way back in. I tweeted it to my Facebook page in rustysmetals, at rustysmetals on Twitter. Buy into support, and bam. Coming into resistance now. You can see the previous lows coming in all the way to our natural point of return. So, always resistance on the way up. But once set in motion, I mean, you know, gotta have something equal and opposite forces to stop it. So here's the previous lows. So good. It looks like we're killing it on the open, actually. Oh, the dollar escalated downward. Huh. I'm a little late today, so I'm catching the open of the next day. But pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. 3-bar pattern on the weekly close. Is that a morning star? Not perfect or anything. I think it has to be, the spinning top has to be island bottom, right? Could be wrong, but still, it is a 3-bar pattern reversal. Going upwards 50% of previous candle, catching momentum. We got a meeting line at, let's call it 1150. Previous lows are right after. We still have to get above the weekly EMA 8 at all costs. And we got the 13 crossing over now too, so it's going to take a while to recover. But let's get some bounces and get some of the miners running. That'd be awesome. I'm still looking forward to some action. 2-bar pattern on the weekly for silver. Nice. Taking out that reversal bar. Confirmed. There you go. We are hitting resistance still. Coming into the previous lows. Getting above that double bottom right there would be awesome. Which is 1620, I guess. Consolidate above there. Get it into the price pinch. And keep moving. Easy deasy right there. Take out that reversal bar. We got a reversal bar here too. So yeah, let's take out the reversal bar instead of that double bottom. So let's call it, yeah, why not? 1625. That's pretty badass. Looks like the market's turning over, and we're gonna catch some bounce here. Total reversal on the encompassing candle, encompassing the previous candle bullishly. Weekly, we need to get above the EMA 8, which is at 1660. But you can see the difference between all of these patterns and that pattern. It's a bullish encompassing the previous candle, and that looks pretty sweet. We got what is, I forget what's today. We got 2 more days of trading for the week. Weekly close on a bullish encompassing pattern. Hell yeah. Copper, can we get a bounce? It is taking out that hammer there. But is this a bearish retracement? Can't be for sure yet. We need to close above the EMA 8 build, close above the 34 to continue the trend, but it bounced off the previous lows. So we got support. Looks like it found support right here, that hammer. And right now it looks like it wants to break that hammer on the upside. So we'll see if copper can run with gold and silver this time around. That'd be awesome. GDX. Looks like that's going to run tomorrow if things hold up. Breaking in the previous lows. Pretty nice. GDXJ has a lot more work to do to get into previous lows. Got to get above that gap first. Damn. But anyhow, it's a nice U. Nice bouncing coming in. Let's see if we can get this thing to hit previous lows, get an opposing point, and make another sharp U and run. Or maybe the 1-2 punch. I always like the 1-2 punch on a bullish run. J-Nug. Pretty nice churn right there. It whipped. It's got resistance at the gap. Got resistance up here. Lots of work to do, but it looks closing on its highs. I mean, what can you say? Nugget. Same thing. Charging upwards. Look at that previous low right there, right where the SMA is. Bitcoin. Nice. We gotta go on a longer term chart to see this thing. But bam. Man. Gotta love a free market. The way it's trading, I mean, it's just like, man, I should get into this, especially on that flat top break coming in on the ultimate high. But we've been following this for a while. The averages, this is a new thing, I guess, because the averages aren't doing what it's supposed to do. But taking out the averages, I mean, just chart trading, we got a higher low here, flat top break, boom, was in that pattern, high flying pennant on a weekly chart, broke that, came all the way back in, made a nice hammer, broke that top, and off to the races. Breaking previous highs, coming up on that double top break. Nice. I mean, what can you say? It's just a free market doing its thing. Let's take a look at EG. Coming off the bottom. Tahoe, see if that's in play yet. Looks like I had a gap. Partially filled. Maybe just enough. And take out that reversal bar right there. And along with that gap. Into previous lows. We got previous low above the gap in and around 650. No, sorry, 950. So look resistance at 950. Look for a short U. Get across that. That's nice. What did AZ do? Time to watch that. Let's get those averages back in, see what's going on. On this one, I'm just going to say look for a volume breakout. Bam! You can see that slow declining volume. All the longs are being taken out. And now we got a couple green bars, maybe some lower volume. Watch for a volume breakout on that. Let's see here. Come on, boy. Alright, so First Majestic financing. Looks like in a weekly chart, busted into above the 8, came back into the 8. Look for previous high breaks on this. I mean, it's storytelling right there. TRX, I think I was watching this today for a bottom. It's getting tight through time. Look at that inverted hammer too. Take out that inverted hammer, busting into previous lows, into other previous lows. I'm calling a bottom a TRX. Cliff. It's got a double top over here. So right where that EMA 8 is, we got support. We also have a 3-bar pattern, so I'm not sure about cliffs yet. But look for previous high breaks, and you'll have your answer. TGD, 2-bar reversal, take out that hammer. Let's just go down the line, I guess. Can't be for sure on this yet, but, well, I don't know, we got a 2-bar pattern here. No, that's not a, I was going to say that's a bullish piercing pattern, but it didn't get 50% closed. But the trading action is like a bullish piercing pattern, so it went up, made a reversal bar, took it out, and now we got a whipsaw. It's got to get above the EMA 8 on the daily. That's our support. Once you got support through time, you can use it as your gauge. This one's got a resistance at the gap. So we got resistance at 936, but once it clears that, it'll fill the gap possibly. I just can't tell. Can't tell if that's the bottom yet. NG. Nice. See that reversal bar? It took out that reversal bar, just ran with it, breaking in the previous lows as it broke that previous was it butterfly doji? Can we just say that? So there you go. Technical analysis at its best right there. Take out the reversal bar. On 2 lines too. We had a bottom, and then a double bottom, and then a reversal bar. Broke above that, slamming. Clockwork. I was looking at NVD. I guess I've been watching a lot of videos about psychology. I guess revenge trading is not good, but I don't care. NVDEF owes me some money, so I've been watching this for a bottom. It looks like it's coming in. We got a double bottom, 3-bar pattern. Take out that reversal bar, closed above, breaking in the previous lows. We got resistance at 28. But once it makes higher highs, we can run with it. Plus a volume breakout. Watch for a volume breakout on this one. We do have a double bottom with a Yeah, it looks like it's ready. I mean, what can you say? But I'll reiterate, revenge trading is bad. Psychology-wise, I don't care. Looks like a nice push. Let's keep it sane here. Let's go to NAK. I think it reached the top. Right, now we got this candle within a candle, right? And that's a bearish harami. What a good run. It finally hit into previous lows, remember? And now it's got rejected. So it's got to gather its legs again. Look for an opposing point. Oh, weekly chart doesn't look good. It's a nasty, nasty candle. Not closing the week yet, but that's bearing down on a long wicked falling star. But remember, it was breaking in the previous lows and it got rejected. So I hope everyone got out. Let it gather its legs. Look for a pattern. Buy back in. Buy into support. Buy into support. Slam it ever ding dong. Look at that. I really love that monthly chart. Just a... And I did a revenge trade on this and got my money back and got out. But I never bought back in when it broke. So my dumbass is on the sidelines. Look for a flat top break on ASM on the bottom. I guess I shouldn't go through all of these. If I remember any of them. AUI, I'm watching a bottom on that one. Take out that reversal bar. Boom. Closed above it today. Let's see what it can do. We got previous lows at 288. Look for that resistance. And then we got previous lows at 330 and 350. So, giddy up. EXK, same. We got bottoms everywhere. Wish I had $1 million. Please, someone send me some money. FSM. Which one was it? Hemp. Damn. Hemp got rejected. Gathering its legs. Nice pop. Boom. Look for an opposing point pattern to form. Let's watch this on the upside. Could be one of those fast churning. I mean, these things are on fire, so it could be one of those fast churning. 1, 2, 3. The 1-2 punch. I'm missing something. GPL. Looks like it got hit by something. Let's see if we can find that resistance. We've got a high right here. Previous highs. Watch those previous highs on the way up. Breaking that three bar right there. That'll be a nice break. I'm not sure if I'm still am I still penny trading this? I don't think I sold it. Whatever. But it looks good. It's hitting some resistance, but I mean, if gold and silver keep going, then it'll lift all tides, right? Lift all tides, lift all boats, or whatever. I don't remember the thingy. URRE. I'm still watching this very, very close. So I want a little bite of it. It's coming back into support, so I think that weekly yeah, you had the stair step, and then the bounce, and then another back into support. Take out this reversal bar. Set your alerts at 150. Take a ride. And we got a 2-bar pattern here too. Bullish, bullish, bullish. We got a higher low, bullish, reversal bar, or 2-bar pattern, reversal. We got a reversal bar, hammer, right over the 8. We got support calls right here at 132, right above the 8. Buy into support. I don't know what's it. Nothing's perfect, but that could be another NAK move. You see that that J curve coming, right? It's gonna get a pop. It's just a bam. UEC. I'm still waiting for this dang thing to run. I don't know what's wrong with my charts, but the second time now, it was trading after hours, and then when it opens where it closed the day prior, when all night it's been running. So I don't know what's going on with this thing. Last night it ran all the way to 112, which I'm not mad because today it ran all the way to 115. But classic move, right over, down into support, watch the flat top break, come out and get me. I think 150 is the first stop. Yeah, previous high. I'm hoping to get a run to 2 though, at least. Otherwise, maybe a gap and run all the way to 3, like it usually. Like I remember back in the olden days. I mean, things used to run so hard. When things started running, it just wasn't. There's nothing to stop it. Now it seems like we just got these little tiny runs. It just ain't the same. I'm missing something. EXLLK. Yeah, I'm watching this one too. Look for a volume break on this. Right? Look for a volume break. Look for a downside trend line break. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Came all the way back down into support. Bullish. Encompassing 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Broke into previous lows. We got to break into these previous lows. Take out that reversal bar. Bam. Bull, bull, bull. I'm missing one. I know it. CANN. That's a nice reversal bar on the weekly. CNABs. The one. So look for this to do the same thing on HEMP, hemp, cannabis-wise. Like I said, I don't expect this thing to make new highs here, but we got resistance in and around 2. It might have already started. Look for some kind of a throwback. Look for a pattern. Yeah. You can see the lower volume. But a nice run. I mean, what can you say? EGI, watch for a volume break on this. Oh, look at that inverted hammer on the close today. On the or no, that's there we go. Nice, nice, nice. Lots of bullish actions going on. I hope everybody's making some money this time around. Hopefully, actually, give me 1 second. Let's do a review. Let's get that dollar coming down so we can get some nice runs in the miners. Looks like it's moving across the EMA 8 right now as we speak on a daily. What I wanted to do was look at the monthly charts because we're closing on the month. I need a reversal bar on that monthly candle. So what do we got to do? We got to get a green top on this, a nice reversal bar into resistance, a nice long-wicked hammer right here. That's what I wish for. On silver. Don't mind all those stupid lines, but came right into the EMA 13. Where's my 34 at? Oh, I didn't turn it on. Done. So it looks like a inverted hammer. No, that's not nothing. That's not nothing. Let's at least break above previous lows and previous highs to close out the month. Otherwise, I mean, if we can get above 1850 is going to be the break into new momentum. So we're far from that, but let's get above previous highs into previous lows. I mean, that's the bullish retracement on a long-term monthly chart. If we get the bounce here, we close above the 34 somehow or another, we get this nice U. This thing can run for a few years, I think, alright? Slam-a-dam-a-ding dong. Alright guys, so that's it. Someone mentioned that the videos are too long, but I apologize. But, you know, it's just the way it is. But I did try to give you a cure. What's it called? Chrome has a little extension called Video Speed Controller. I use it all the time. Let's just turn on something, I guess. I don't even know what this is. Anyways, it comes up here, and you can churn it faster. So you can watch my videos twice as fast. Alright, so apologize. You can also look at this little gearbox and turn it on higher, but with this little extension it just becomes easier, that's all. But that's it guys, I appreciate it, and donate if you can. I'd like to get a computer here soon, and it would help a lot. I appreciate you. See ya.